Hey guys, Rapid Stout 12 here, back at it again with another lighting video. And today I'm going to show you my GE RVL F15 T8 Fluorescent Tube. So I got this fluorescent tube not too long ago, about a month ago, from a thrift store in Inverness, Florida. So I saw this and was like, oh my gosh, it's a RVL fluorescent tube. So I just had to get it. So let's take a look at the packaging. This appears to be the newer packaging from 2012, sort of that era. Well, it was introduced then. Anyway, it says GE at the top here, 18-inch, 15-watt, RVL kitchen and bath, F15 T8, 825 lumens, 7,500 hours, 15-watt, 1 bulb. Doesn't say any kind of CRI or anything. More information. Oh, there we go. Wow, the CRI is only 60. That's surprising because the color rendering of this bulb is very good as far as I remember. And the color temperature is 2600 K. So, we'll take it out of its little sleeve here, and here it is, all out of the packaging. So here is our end cap, and as you can tell, it has a very nice blue insulator as an added touch. I like that. We have something written over here. Let me see if I can read it. Something 4, I think. I'll give you a better look at it there. Not sure exactly what it says. Can't really read it. It's kind of rubbed away. And here is our real etch. It's my favorite GE etch. The big meatball etch, as it's called. RVL F15 T8 RVL Eco. 15-watt kitchen and bath, hungry. It's even got the EPACT on it. Even though F15 T8 was not affected by the EPACT legislation. So I don't know why that's on there. And then there's also something written on the end here. Oh, okay. 2010. So I guess this isn't from 2012. I guess maybe they changed this packaging before they changed the other packaging, because that is the font used on the newer packaging. Of course, the older packaging had that bold, italic looking font. I really like that packaging a lot. But where were we here? Okay, I guess that's when it was made exactly. I wish they did this on all fluorescent tubes. That would be awesome. Here's the other end. Well, we need a fixture to turn this on. Well, I just happen to have one. I'll be right back. This is my Lampy F15 T12 preheat fluorescent strip light. And we are going to insert this wonderful GE RVL tube into this fixture. It's being a little bit difficult, okay? It's being a little difficult. Okay. It has been inserted in. And now, we will plug this in do it right there. And we'll turn on in 3, 2, 1. Very nice. So I'll go ahead and turn off the lights here. And there you have it. The GE RVL F15 T8 fluorescent strip light. Let's take a closer look at it. It appears to have a mix of halo phosphate and triphosphors in it, because we have a yellow and green flicker band. I still think it's so cool how this is 60 CRI, yet it somehow manages to look so good. I guess sometimes CRI isn't really the best thing to go by. Now, in my opinion, this has a very beautiful, relaxing light to it. A lot of pink in there. A lot of people don't really like that pinkish light, but I actually find it really relaxing and nice. I really like it. I definitely prefer pinkish warm light over yellowish warm light. But yeah, this has a lot of pink in it. There's my hand in front of it. We'll go up here and compare brightness and CRI, which, again, keep in mind, 60 CRI. Look at this. That looks like at least 80. That is so good. Wow. I can't even believe this is 60 CRI. I thought it would be like 80 or something, but no. Somehow they've managed to make a 60 CRI fluorescent tube look this good. Here it is, mounted above everything, sorta, like it would be normally, and just like any fluorescent fixture, everything is lit up evenly and nicely. Here it is facing out, and here it is upward. No change in light distribution whatsoever. Very nice. Oh, I just can't get over that. That's awesome. How did they do that? Because normally when I think of 60 CRI, I think of the very awful cool white halo phosphate fluorescent tubes, which, in fact, they had some fixtures with those in the thrift store that I got this with. I made a video about that. I'll put up a card of it right about here. But anyway, that is just mind-blowing to me, how they made such a terrible CRI look so good. I mean, okay, take a look at this. Look at that. Like, I'm gonna have to make a comparison of that and SP30 sometime. That's just awesome. I can't believe they did that. I don't know what to say. That's just really surprising. This doesn't look like 60 CRI at all. Anyway, we'll watch it start up one more time. In the dark. That was cool. Okay, let's do it one more time. Takes a second. Okay, one more time. And that's it. Okay, one more time. Ooh, very blinky. Okay, well, before I get too carried away with turning this fixture on and off, I am going to turn back on the regular lights. Well, it's time to remove this very intriguing fluorescent tube offering from our fluorescent fixture. And I'm going to take this out of the area here so we can have more room. Well, that was my GE RVL F15 T8 fluorescent tube. A fluorescent tube with some awful CRI that somehow manages to actually have good color. Well, anyway, there you have it for this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and share. Until next time.